Hi, I'm Brittany Riley and you're in the kitchen with Britt. We're here at Home Appliance and I am working with the Wolf Steam Convection Oven. And basically I'm just going to show you a really quick cool tip that you can do with your Wolf Steam Oven, and that's defrosting meat straight from frozen. So I have a couple racks of ribs here. I can't even pull them apart right now, so this will definitely help. But you know, a lot of the time we're not expecting to necessarily need to cook certain things that are in our freezer, or guests arrive, or you know, different things like that. For me, a lot of the time what I tend to do is I'll pull things, put it in the fridge with the intention of cooking the next day, and then a day or two goes by and I have to get rid of it because I left it out too long. And that's the worst. So this would be great for me at home. And basically what we do is we set it to steam, and we're setting it at the lowest temperature, which is 90 degrees. We're gonna place these right on the actual oven racks with a solid pan underneath to catch any, you know, the liquid or drippings or anything like that. And we'll start the timer at about 15 minutes and see how long it takes from there. It'll probably take a little bit longer since, like I said, they're still stuck together. But once I'll separate them, we'll be able to completely defrost them right here in the oven. So we'll come back in about 15 minutes and see where they're at. So 20 minutes on that oven rack, and these ribs are completely ready to work with. That's so cool. All right, good luck. I did want to mention also that these oven racks can go straight into your dishwasher, and they're the perfect size that you don't have to worry about it getting in the way. And that way, if you're not interested in doing a quick scrub on them, you can just throw them in there. But they rinse real quick and easy, and they're not even hot right now since they were just at 90 degrees. Great dry rub for ribs: a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika and chili powder, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. Mix together and rub on your ribs. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get our dry rub onto our ribs. You want to make sure to get a good amount on both sides, and you really actually want to rub it in. Once we have both of our racks of ribs covered, we're going to get these ready on our pan and into the oven. Okay, these guys are rubbed and ready to go. I've got a clean pan with 2 sheets of parchment paper. I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, but overnight would be great, and then we will get ready for the oven. Okay, I have set the convection steam oven to 265 degrees at convection steam mode. We've got our ribs that have been sitting in the dry rub for about 3 hours. I'm gonna set the timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes and check on them. All right, we are out of the oven and it's perfect. You can see it pulling away from the bone, popping up. Perfect sign. I actually pulled my smaller rack of ribs a little bit earlier because I didn't want them to get overdone or tough. But this was 1 hour and 15 minutes. Enjoy!